Hello everyone, welcome back to Chao. Today is all about ube. Ube is one of my favorites in this channel. And this time I'm going to share with you how to make ube lava latte, which is part of our lava latte series. So, like most lava latte recipes that I have in this channel, this has to be thick, concentrated, and gooey. So, what is ube? Ube is a very popular delicacy in the Philippines, and I'm so excited to see that it is also gaining popularity not only in Asia but also in the West. Some of the milk tea shops that I have seen in the West actually use ube as their main differentiator, that they really focus on serving the best quality ube. Today, what I'm going to show you is one of the best that I have tried, and it's my job to find good quality products that I could recommend on this channel. None of my video tutorials are sponsored, so you can be assured these are very independent views and reviews that I make myself. For this, I am going to use ube flavor or ube syrup. This one gives the taste and the flavor, but not so much the color. I'm also going to use 100% pure ube powder, and this one gives the texture and that vibrant purple color. We are also going to use my half and half. For this, I'm going to use 40 ml of half and half, which is a combination of sweetened condensed milk and evaporated milk. And we're going to use 1 ounce of hot water to dissolve the powder first. And because this is a latte, we are going to use fresh milk. This time, I'm also going to add some cognac pearls at the bottom of our drink. I love cognac pearls and grass jelly. These are my favorite sinkers for my drinks. Chewable and at the same time, very healthy. So, let's get started. First, let us dissolve our powder. I'm going to put it in my measuring cup. Dissolve it using 1 ounce of hot water or 30 ml of hot water. So as you can see, the texture of this is thick and there will be some bits when you finish making this drink. So it doesn't give only the color but also the texture. So as you can see, this is quite thick at the moment, but that is what we want for our lava topping. So use the spoon to make sure it is well combined. And then let's add our ube syrup or ube flavor, just 5 ml or 1 teaspoon. And then I'm going to add my milk syrup, which is just 40 ml. So there is our ube lava. Now just to make sure I have this completely well combined, I'm going to use my milk frother. There you go, this is our lava. So now let's prepare our drink. Let's put some of our sinkers into our 16-ounce cup. The recipe, sorry, I forgot to say that the recipe that I'm making is for 16 ounces cup. If you want to know the recipe for 22 ounces cup, check the description below. So just a little bit, maybe just 2 scoops of our cognac pearls. Perfect. And now let's put our milk. And just to bring it up a little bit. And now let's pour our lava. There is our beautiful ube lava latte. See how the lava flows around the cup. and that makes it look so deliciously attractive. And now for the best part of this video tutorial, for me to give this a try and let you know how it tastes. The looks, 100%. It looks absolutely delicious. That beautiful purple color of ube, and it should taste just like ube. Absolutely delicious. Now I always say this, but if and when I make drinks that are not delicious, I completely scratch the video that I have made, even though I've spent time on it. So when I say delicious, this is really, really delicious. If you want to know where to get the products that I use for this particular drink, check the description below. There you have it. Very simple drink, and probably completes our lava latte series. But when I come up with something new, you will be the first to know. This is a recipe that you must try for home, for your family and friends, for your milk tea or coffee shop, especially if you want to be known for offering special ube flavors. Give this a try. So once again, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, click the subscribe button below. Also, leave me some comments so I can hear from you. If you would like me to cover any topic in the future, I will try my best, but do let me know what it would be. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and ciao for now.